In fact, Sushant Singh Rajput's case accused, prime accused, Rhea Chakravarti, now only getting a lot more mired in the drug link controversy. India Today has accessed WhatsApp chats from July and August 2019 of a staff member of Sushant Singh Rajput, where he or she is discussing arranging for doobies, which is a slang term for marijuana. And in fact, many questions now being raised about Shouvik Chakravarti, Rhea's brother, also part of this entire drug chat, and a few other members, staff members of Sushant Singh Rajput also in it. In another chat that was accessed, Sushant's friend and flatmate Siddharth Pitani also inquired from the staff member if Sushant had marijuana. Samuel Miranda had also sent messages to Rhea informing that the stuff was over. In another chat with Rhea Chakravarti, Samuel Miranda sent pictures of weed to Rhea, to which she responded saying, wow. Responding to the WhatsApp chats, Sushant Singh Rajput's sister, Shweta Singh Kirti there, demanded those involved in chats to be arrested. She's also questioned what must one really conclude of these drug chats. In fact, Sushant's ex-girlfriend Ankita Lokhande expressed shock over these chats. Joining us is Vidya for more details on this. Vidya, the Narcotics Control Bureau now at play. They've landed in Mumbai. They're investigating every angle of the drug link here. And it appears that Rhea Chakravarti and a few of the members, including Samuel Miranda, Siddharth Pitani, even Shouvik, Gaurav Arya, Jaya Saha, they're all going to be summoned in due time. But we heard that the Narcotics Department now first is looking at a larger nexus to see the drug cartel, how prevalent they are in Bollywood.
Well, it certainly is, and as the CBI interrogates Rhea Chakravarti, remember she has not yet been grilled as many number of times, as much as her own brother has been grilled until now. He had faced more number of questions than Rhea herself, so she will be asked many more questions in the today as well as in the following days. But remember, it is the Narcotics Control Bureau which has the latest investigation in hand, and that is the reason why they have already posted the notice on Gaurav Arya's hotel because they could not find him, and the others, and they will be called too as Gaurav Arya has to appear on August 31st because of the chat that reflects. And Gaurav Arya, remember, in various interviews has already said that he probably had met Rhea or spoken to her, but he has not. He has defended himself by saying that he has not supplied any weed, he doesn't trade in it. So all these things will be looked into by the Narcotics Control Bureau, which will be investigating the drug angle, which is the latest thing to come out in this entire saga, which has been going on for the past 2 months now.
Right, Divya there, thank you very much for joining us with those details. We're going to come back to you. But here's an exclusive interview there with India Today's consulting editor Rajdeep Sardesai. Rhea Chakravarti said that she'd never consumed drugs in her life and that she was ready for a narco test or a medical test as well to establish the same. Let's take a listen.
एंड नार्कोटिक्स ड्रग कंट्रोल भी आपको क्वेश्चन कर सकती है, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं ये सवाल उठ रहा है कि क्या रिया का ड्रग पेडलर्स, ड्रग डीलर्स के साथ कोई कनेक्शन है।
यही बचा था ना अब मेरे ऊपर डालने के लिए कि इस लड़की को इतना क्रूसिफाई कर दो। मैं तो बोलती हूँ एक बंदूक के ले आओ, मेरी फैमिली लाइन से खड़ी हो जाएगी, गोली मार के उड़ा दो हमें, नहीं तो हम ही सुसाइड कर लेते हैं, फिर कौन रिस्पॉन्सिबल होगा। I deny all these allegations. They are absolutely baseless. और मैं इनके डिटेल्स में सिर्फ एक रीजन के लिए नहीं जाना चाहूंगी कि ये मेरे आगे की इन्वेस्टिगेशन और केस को तंग कर सकता है।
फिर भी मैं पूछूंगा और आप अपना जवाब दे सकती है। 3 चैट्स है। 2017 में एक चैट होती है एक होटेलियर गौरव आर्या के साथ, जहां कहा जाता है कि आप एक तरह से एमडीएमए ट्राई करना चाहती है। आप कहती हैं मैरिजुआना के बारे में बात होती है। इन केस वी स्पीक अबाउट हार्ड ड्रग्स, आई हैवंट डन टू मच, ट्राइड एमडीएमए वंस। ये मैसेज व्हाट्सएप का सब चैनल्स पर चल रहा है। ये 2017 में है। आपने कभी एमडीएमए लिया है?
जी नहीं, आई हैव नेवर टेकन एनी ड्रग्स।
तो ये ट्राइड एमडीएमए वंस?
नेवर, एंड आई एम विलिंग टू डू अ ड्रग टेस्ट।
सो यू डिनाई दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन?
आई डिनाई।
विद गौरव आर्या?
यस।
यू डोंट नो हिम?
No, I do know him, but I deny the contents of this conversation, and I will like to reserve the rest of this for the investigation.
In 2019, एक जया करके है आपकी दोस्त, उनके साथ भी एक कॉन्वर्सेशन होती है जहां कहा जाता है कि कहीं ना कहीं आप चाय में CBD डाल दीजिए, जो एक तरह से कैनबिस से जुड़ी हुई है, ड्रग से जुड़ी हुई है, लेकिन प्रिस्क्रिप्शन भी है। मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, आप सुशांत को CBD क्यों देना चाहती थी? यह कहा जाता है चाय के प्याले में आप CBD डालिए।
मैं नहीं देना चाहती थी। उन्होंने जया से एक ऑल्टरनेटिव थेरेपी मांगी थी और उनकी आपस में कोई बात हुई थी जिसकी सिर्फ कोऑर्डिनेशन मेरे फोन पे है। ना मैंने उनके चाय में कुछ डाला, उन्होंने खुद किया होगा जो किया होगा। लेकिन अगेन सर, I don't want this to interfere in my investigation, so I don't want to continue this.
Fair enough. My third one is 2020 सैमुअल मिरांडा का एक कॉन्वर्सेशन आया हुआ है कि स्टॉक इज ओवर। इससे यह पता चलता है कि या तो आप ड्रग ले रही थी या सुशांत ले रहा था। सच्चाई क्या है?
इट्स अनफॉर्चुनेट कि किसी के गुजर जाने के बाद हमें उनकी वाइसेस को ऐसे एक्सप्लॉइट करना होता है, पर अब मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है। यस, सुशांत यूज्ड टू स्मोक मैरिजुआना, और हाँ, वो काफी रेगुलरली पीते थे। मुझसे मिलने से पहले से पीते थे। इनफैक्ट केदारनाथ की शूटिंग या उससे जरा सा पहले से उन्होंने शुरू किया था ये। और मैं इनफैक्ट उन्हें कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करती थी। सिर्फ इसी डिपार्टमेंट में मैं उन्हें कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश करती थी, मैं कट डाउन करने की कोशिश करती थी। लेकिन ही वॉज अ मैन ऑफ हिज ओन चॉइसेस। ही वॉज अ ग्रोन मैन who chose what he wanted to do, and nobody could stop him.
You did not encourage him to take drugs.
Absolutely not. In fact, I have a
Even
chat.
though he was on the habit, वो ड्रग पर है, लेकिन आपने कभी उनको encourage नहीं किया।
नहीं, मैंने
You didn't try to stop him.
I tried to stop him. I tried to stop him and I tried to tell him to reduce it. But it is something he would do. I never indulged in any
Here
kind
is a
of
man
drugs.
in depression. He's taking drugs. Isn't that a serious situation to be in? I mean, it must have been therefore difficult for him. And you're saying you were unable to stop the person you loved so much.
Exactly, which is my main point, that Sushant did exactly what he wanted to do. If he wanted to smoke drugs, he would smoke drugs. If he wanted to take medication, he would take medications. If he didn't want, nobody on earth could convince him.
And you have never taken drugs with him.
No.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.